GLOB stock analysis next week Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. Looking at Globant SA stock or Globant stock, it just melts, man. Like it's 30% down, which looks rough and it's tough. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of quick predictions, and all of it has been documented on my YouTube channel. But in situations like this, it's not like the first time I'm seeing this. But it's been even like on after like green earnings report, you know, big catalysts are always happening. If I search like Glob here, Globant stock, every like sales are up one now, right? But this thing is down. So in this situation, the only thing that I really care about is, I mean, I definitely see this thing just keep melting even lower. Although I'm not going to short sell, but that's just like the most likely thing that's about to happen, because we have like a lot of liquidity beneath. So I think we're going to grab that, and then we have plans after that. So for me, that's my 2 cents as of right now. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.